Hi everybody, welcome to Paper Wishes Weekly Webisodes. I'm Lene Gehrig, and today I've got a great little collection from our friends at Stamp Area. This one is called Celebration, and it's just a little 8x8, and then it's got some adorable little chipboard die cuts, and I can't wait to show you what my friend Debbie did with them, so come play with us. So inside this little 8x8 treasure, got beautiful backgrounds and these gorgeous alphabet paper, the sweetest art. I love the characters, the fruit, all of the little party decorations. This is my favorite, I think, with all the little characters on it. And it's got these cutouts, very, very sweet. And then the chipboard, also very cute. And it has lots of little, you get a ton in this, because there's little flowers, little strawberries, little things that say party and keep it up and happiness. Very cute. And here's a 6x6 card. Maybe we can zoom in a little, Steve. This is a 6x6 card that my friend Debbie made. She covered her 6x6 card that is actually a hunky-dory card, comes already pre-folded and has a matching envelope with one of the beautiful backgrounds, and then matted another strip here with a little bit of craft card stock that's about 2 inches wide, and then she matted that, left about a 1/8 inch border, and then glued that across, and then just trimmed that even with the sides. It says "You are awesome" here and happiness. I love how she layered her chipboard pieces here, one on top of the other, and we just like to use Cosmic Shimmer Specialist acrylic glue for doing that. It just really adheres well. And then on this one, she used a slim line card, so that's 8.5 inches by 3.5 inches. So what do you do when you have an 8.5 inch card and 8-inch paper? Well, you just take little scraps, and they're about 1/2 inch wide on each end, and you glue that here and here, and then you just glue your 8-inch length of paper right over the top, and that just finishes that off really nicely, and you have these nice little borders. And here you can see here she's got the banner and layered more pieces here. She's got 3 layers here. She's got the little tent, she's got the little mouse, and the little hat on it. So lots of fun dimension on this card. It's very cute. And on this one, she did another slimline card, but for this one she did something a little different. It's a great technique I wanted to show you. So she used a die, this is Trio of Circles cutting die, and it will fit through a 6-inch wide platform with no problem, and we're going to show you a little trick on how to do that. So the first thing you're going to start with is that little technique of gluing some paper on the ends here, and then you're going to take some of this paper and you're going to just glue that right there and then trim that even. We like to turn that over and then just trim that like that. So when you get to this part, you'll notice I have a different paper here. So what you're going to do is, let me go back to this one. Sorry about that, I'm jumping ahead, I'm just too excited. Let's go ahead and glue our paper down. I like to get lots of glue where those circles are going to be. All right, make sure that's centered on there so that your borders are pretty even. All right, there we go. So now when you get to this point, if you have a 9-inch wide platform for your die cutting machine, you can put this right here and you can run it through in any direction, okay? But if you have a 6-inch wide platform, what do? So we're gonna go ahead, take our tape. I like to put my tape in the circle areas that are going to evacuate, just like that. Now, here's a little trick. You can take this and fold it over like that, and then run it through your machine like this. You will get some of these little circle patterns on the back, but if you cover the inside of the card like this, nobody sees that. So that's your little trick for doing that. All right, so once those circles are cut, it's going to look like this. And yes, I have a different paper on the front. All right, so once that's done, now you're going to take little scraps of paper like this, and you're going to glue those inside the card. Okay, so let's do that. You want to make sure that they're slightly larger than your circle, the papers. Okay, and then you're just going to put it like that. Got a little heavy-handed with the glue there. All right, so when it's like that, and you're going to do that on all of the circles, then you're going to take some circle cutting dies, okay? And we used this one right here, and that's going to go right there. And then you're going to do the exact same thing. You're going to tape this down, and then you're going to run that through your machine in the exact same way. You're going to fold this over, run it through your machine, and then you're going to have a circle within the circle. And that's what Debbie did on each one of her circles, so that she had this great sort of matted circle look, which is really fun. And then of course inside each one of the circles, well, first of all, she glued her paper there. Now this part is interesting. She didn't want to show all of this glued kind of mess of rectangles and circles and stuff. So she took another piece of white cardstock, used the die, and then glued that over the inside, and then that just masked all of that, which made it much more tidy. And then made sure to glue in one of these little chipboard cameras in each one. And then the Missing Our Time Together, those are cute little stickers from We're Together. These are We're Together More Colors Dazzle stickers. And they come in brown, silver, white, and gold. She used these brown, or well, they're not really brown, they're more of a coppery, bronzy color. She did that right there and then matted that. And then these great little dazzle borders here. She used green and peach and sort of this purpley color that's in here somewhere to outline all of her pieces. Anyway, it's in there. And she just did that to outline the card and then foam taped this over the top of it. Really great and fun card. I love this card. So you guys, we've got a great money saver on this collection today. And if you are watching us on our Paper Wishes channel on YouTube, then look below the description box, look below the video in the description box, and you'll see a link that's going to take you to our Paper Wishes webisode page. And there you'll find the money saver. It's on the right-hand side of the screen. You just click on that. And then also below the video, we've got a drop-down menu of product used. You can buy things individually, and if you're looking for the glue or you're looking for the border dazzle stickers right here that I showed you, you can get those there too. So thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.